Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Google Authenticator on iPhone and migrate accounts. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the App Store on your iPhone. Tap on the search icon at the bottom of the screen. Type Google Authenticator in the search bar. Select the Google Authenticator app from the search results. Tap on the Get button to download and install the app. Once the installation is complete, open the Google Authenticator app. You will see an introductory screen. Tap on Get Started to proceed. If this is your first time using the app, tap on Scan QR code or enter a setup key. To migrate accounts, first, open the Google Authenticator app on your current device. Tap on the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Select Transfer Accounts from the drop-down menu. Choose Export Accounts on your old device. Select the accounts you want to migrate. Tap Next to generate a QR code. Now, on your new device, go back to the Google Authenticator app. Select Import Accounts. Point your iPhone's camera at the QR code on your old device. Once the QR code is scanned, your accounts will be migrated automatically. You may want to test each account to ensure it's working properly. For enhanced security, consider enabling two-factor authentication on your Google accounts. Keep your old device handy until you confirm all accounts function well on the new app. Once verified, you can uninstall Google Authenticator from your old device. Congratulations, your accounts are now successfully migrated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.